Hi you guys, this is Tyron here. Today I want to let you all know that we're going to start a new series called Details Talks, and within this series we're going to have small short 5 to 6 minute videos talking about the detail we're going to do today, and also we're going to talk about different topics around the detail industry and hot topics and questions that you all may need answered. So make sure you all tune in each and every day, every week, whenever we drop our videos for this actual series, and let me know how you like these series compared to other videos, and make sure you tune in. Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about how to care for a vehicle, how to take care of a vehicle, and how to maintain your vehicle and make sure your car is clean and maintained. So first, when it comes to taking care of your vehicle and caring for your vehicle, you want to make sure you wash your vehicle at least every 2 weeks, and you want to detail it at least once a month. When it comes to cleaning your vehicle and washing it, some people may want to take it to your drive-through car washes. Other detailers or people may want to take it through a actual mobile detailer or a detailing location. So whatever you do, if you're going to go through a drive-through detailing place or a car wash place, if you're going to take it through there weekly or daily, as they allow you to do that, you just want to make sure you get it detailed once a month on the inside, and also you want to get it waxed more frequently. So if you're the type of person that take your car through a actual detailer or a mobile detailer, then you want to get it done every 2 weeks. And then you also, if you're a weekly person, that's fine as well. And then you may want to get it waxed every 4, 5, or 6 months. So depending on how well you want your car to look, and how often you want to get it clean. Of course, the outside, I'm more so referring to the wax detail, but also if you want to get your car shampooed, definitely the same rate, around like 5 to 6 months. I'm saying if you're a more so like a detail type of person as opposed to a drive-through automatic car wash type of person. Also, any like headlight restoration or anything like that, I would say you want to get it done on a yearly, every 2-year basis. Washes every 2 weeks, waxing every 3 to 6 months. For people that have detailers that come out or they take it to a detailer shop, if you're a person that doesn't really care as much about your vehicle but you just want to keep it clean, then yes, you go through your drive-through car wash, get it waxed by a professional detailer every 2 to 3 months, and you'll be fine.
Attention auto business owners. Turbocharge your success by listing your engine services, oil services, detailing services, tire services, or towing services on We Auto Service today. Reach more customers, get hired, and boost your business. Customers, trust We Auto Service to find verified automotive professionals. Discover excellence in every service. List your business now and accelerate your journey to success.